All right, sound comparison on an A1 Cycles stainless exhaust, no dB killer installed. All right, this is the dB killer. That's something I bought on Amazon. It's got a mesh inside and some holes and a chamber here. Then I stuffed the chamber full of some heavy stainless steel mesh. And it drops in, it's got a flange on it. It drops in to the end of the pipe, and then the pipe goes from a larger area to a smaller area where the baffle is. This is the end piece that's I'm going to put here. So it's going to extend the pipe. It's also going to hold the dB killer in place. I'm going to install it now. Just takes a few seconds. You got to line up a pin under the bottom to hold it in place. There it is. All right, here we go. No, it doesn't seem like much, but 10 to 12 dB of reduction is quite a bit. Every 3 dB is a doubling in power of sound, and every 6 dB is a doubling in audio volume. So it's probably 1.5 times louder with the dB killer in it. So although 95 decibels is still considerably louder than stock, and it has a meteor sound to it. So, all right, hope this helps. Thanks.